Hey everyone, Dave Cook, the Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're coming at you doing some digital graphics. This is 2 of 3 that we're doing. Just doing a quick video because as you can see, this is the plans that we were sent. Plans show for 4 cabinets and 2 graphics. But when we get on site, there's actually 3 cabinets. And then there's no countertop that goes across. And then it's actually short on that side. You can't see it with this, but it's short by 3 inches. So we actually called the company because of the way this is laid out, how this is printed compared to the wall. We want to make sure exactly how it's going. So they did confirm that they're just going to have the graphics go straight across, basically because there's no other options. They're already printed. But it's one of those things you want to make sure if there's a discrepancy between the print, the graphic, and the wall, call the people that hired you, call the people that designed it to make sure that there's nothing, because it's better to stop now before you put it on a wall than have to tear the wall down, reprint it, rehang it. If you got questions on digital wallpaper graphics, give us a call at Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.